it has compression. It's pretty healthy. Look at that. Want to take a look at the timing chain? I'll probably replace that. Maybe I'll put a cam in it. I don't know though. I'm going to try to make my own harness. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I have no idea what I'm doing, so... This thing is a mess. Apparently this only had 130,000 miles on it. Came out of an 03. It has drive-by wire. You want to go drive-by cable. Oh, yeah, you just gotta give her a little yanking. Oh. I feel like it's missing something. Because there's just gas pouring out the side of it. Ooh. I don't know what any of this means. God damn it. She's got some metal on it. So I told myself in my head, I said, if I break this one, then maybe I'll try to use some heat on these. I broke it. Huh. come out, I guess. Hey, Jimmy! Oh, kind of hurt. How do you get that off? Keep pulling, I guess. Yeah. Well. Maybe it's attached on the inside. If I take this bolt, I'm not going to be able to get this off. Am I? This thing's rubbing. I might be able to get it off. Alright, I gotta weasel this thing out of here somehow. Without... Come on. I don't want to break this off. I feel bad breaking this off. I might have to, though. I feel like that... Get... Huh. Tin foil. Well, I think I'm just going to have to break that off. Sorry. Whoop. Let's pull the plugs out, see what those look like. They all look pretty decent, really. I mean, I'm no expert, but you know, they look used. This one was a little broken. I think that happened when we were pulling it, but I gotta get to the oil pan. I want to pull that. Have a peeky boo under there. Ah! Hey, nothing come out. I'll pull these motor mounts off, and then I'll pull the oil pan off. Then we'll be able to tell if this thing's actually a 5.3 or a 4.8. I don't really know what it is. Court is in session, and the verdict is in. It's a 4.8. God damn it. 12553482. That's a 4.8. I don't know if you can see in there, but you can see the cross hatching is and then where it stops. Yeah. Yep. She's seen some hot suppers before. It's not done seeing hot suppers either. That's how much slop we got right there in that chain. So, probably should replace that. I don't know what's normal or not, but that seems like a lot. Yeah, well, I got my answer. It's a 4.8. Oh well, that's what I got. That's what I'm using. Gotta work with what you got. trying to get the majority of the oil and junk off of this thing. So I got some hot soapy water, and I'm just gonna scrub it for now and see what happens. But normally I would use like a purple power or something, but all my stuff's frozen because it's cold. So here I am. This is just Dawn dish soap, or Palmolive actually. I'm just scrub it, try and get all the grease and grime off it best I can. I don't know if this is really worth doing, but I'm doing it. I don't really know what else to do at this point. I'm trying to think of what I want to do with this. Do I just plop it in stock? I mean, I still want to go in and change some gaskets. I know I need an oil pan gasket. You know, I'll probably do valve cover gasket, intake gaskets. I've debated on putting this in my Jeep instead of the truck. I think this would be a big, even stock, you know, would be a big step up from a 4-cylinder Jeep. I think it would be awesome in the Jeep. Actually. But I gotta figure out a transmission and possibly a rear end. But I at least want to get this thing cleaned up a little better. Just been bugging me, really. So here I am. Scrubbing. Still pretty dirty. This is kind of a waste of time. I need a pressure washer is what I need. Now I got a nice ice patch on my floor. I'll get it better another day when I can actually get in there, pressure wash it. But I knocked a lot of the scaly stuff off. These cleaned up pretty good, actually. Ish. I mean, for as quickly as I did them, they look pretty nice. They could look a lot better, too. So, I mean, I'll do these better at some point. But for now, I kind of want to get these studs out of the heads. Ooh. And the old dink comes out, you know you're doing it right. Whoa! She's a little crooked. Go with it. Ah! Dang it! Well, let's try again. one got some heat into it. Melted the whole internals. Still pretty hot. And ooh, well, I think it's happening. Oh, would you look at that? Easy. Easy. Come on now, Betsy. Come on now. Oh. Easy. And there we are. Holy. Can't believe that worked. There he is. Stud number 1. 1, 2. I think there's 3 more on the other side too. So I'm just gonna do that again. However many more times I have to. Either 2 or 3 more times, or 4 or 5 more times. Alright? I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Came out pretty easy. Now what? Guess I'll clean up my shit.